Church has a hierarchy and many decisions are taken at different levels. As a youth, some of the decisions may not seem correct. In such situations, we may need to argue with the higher ups to get an understandable answer. Is doing so right or wrong? Your question seems to prove the importance of obedience to those in authority, yet the necessity of seeking clarification when confused. I shall respond to your question by explaining what is meant by obedience in the church and the mind of the church on questioning or expressing disagreements. Obedience is fulfilling the orders of one's lawful superiors with the intention of carrying out their will. Catholics especially prize obedience because of Christ's own example and because in their lawful superiors they see the representatives of Christ Himself. Romans chapter 13, verse 1, and Luke chapter 2, verse 51, and letter to Philippians chapter 2, verse 8. In the teaching of the church, that obedience is part of justice, one of the four cardinal virtues, which are in turn subordinate to the theological virtues of faith, hope, and charity. Faith is greater than obedience. Therefore, a Catholic has a duty not to obey prelates even when we know them to be corrupt or ill-informed or just plain wrong, as long as they are not asking or demanding us to be corrupt or just plain wrong and remain within the bounds of their legitimate authority. Remember the words of Jesus in Matthew chapter 23, verse 3. The scribes and the Pharisees sit on Moses' seat. So practice and observe whatever they tell you, but not what they do. Questions are to understanding what chewing is to eating. Just like we don't eat a steak without chewing it first. Often, many a youth feel that it is wrong to ask questions about certain truths or teachings or even decisions of the church or those in authority, thinking that they will be understood to be on the verge of abandoning the truth or teaching or decisions about which they are raising questions. It is important to keep in mind that no one has grown in any understanding without asking relevant questions about them. If you have questions about or objections to certain teachings of the church or decisions of your superiors or those in a hierarchy, one of the best things you should do is to visit privately with a pastor, confessor, or spiritual mentor who can help you discern if you correctly understand the teaching of the church and how your questions or objections impact your relationship to your community of faith. It is relevant to note the mind of the church disclosed through Pope Francis on why disagreement in the church is a good sign. The Pope said that what defines a good leader is the ability to foster an environment in which differences are open rather than concealed, and in which people feel free to speak rather than being silenced. He further said that two clear qualities are needed for this: courage to speak and humility to listen. Thank you.